Hi there! Welcome to Panda Remit. Let me show you how to send money from Japan. It's super fast, secure, and you can do it all from your phone. You don't need any physical cards. Just open the Panda Remit app, create an order, and then transfer the money from your Japanese bank account. Simple as that. Now, let's start your transfer. Open Panda Remit. At the app homepage, type in how much money you want to send and tap that green Send Now button. Then choose a receiving method. We support all major banks and e-wallets, so you have plenty of options. Next, tell us who's getting the money. Is it for yourself, your family, or a friend? Choose the real relationship and fill in the account details here. Please double-check the account info to make sure the money arrives without any delay. Look over your order details here. If everything looks good, tap Send Now. Then choose a payment method. We support online banking or ATM, these two methods. Here, we will choose bank transfer as an example. Now, for the important part, the actual transfer. You need to send the exact amount to our Japanese bank account. Please make sure you make the payment before your order expires to lock in your great exchange rate. Here is our bank information. We use Mitsubishi UFJ Bank, Funabashi branch. You'll see the account number and account name on the screen. Remember, the transfer must come from your own personal bank account. We can't accept cash transfers. Let's try an example using Japan Post Bank so you can see exactly how it works. Don't worry if you use other bank accounts. The steps are pretty much the same. In your bank app, tap Remittance, Sokin Shiharai. Then select Other Bank, Takin Yuki Kanate Sokin. Select Mitsubishi UFJ Bank. Then search for the branch. Type Funa-ba and select Funahashi branch. It's usually the first option. Next, enter Panda Remit account details. Select Ordinary account type. Enter the account number 1034252 and account name M-Billing Ka. Then fill in your order amount, full name, and registered phone number and confirm the transfer. You made it to the final step. Once you've sent the money, take a screenshot of your payment receipt and upload it to the Panda Remit app. We usually receive your payment in about 30 minutes during business hours. And that's it. Your money is on its way. If you get stuck or have any questions, please scan this QR code to chat with our support team via Line or WhatsApp. Thanks for using Panda Remit.